Today, we're making classic meatballs with golden garlic bread and indulgent butter pudding. Here's everything you need for the meatballs and garlic bread. 500 grams beef mince, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves crushed, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 50 grams dried breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 garlic baguette, and 125 grams buffalo mozzarella. For this recipe, we'll use a large frying pan, saucepan, colander, a knife, chopping board, and a zester. And of course, a kettle for boiling water. In a bowl, mix the beef mince, onion, garlic, egg, breadcrumbs, milk, and mixed herbs. Shape into medium-sized balls. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat and fry the meatballs until golden brown and cook through, about 8 to 10 minutes. For the garlic bread, slice the baguette, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle crushed garlic and mozzarella, then bake until golden and bubbling. And for the butter pudding, a simple, quick bake in the oven with butter and sugar until golden. Perfect dessert in minutes. Arrange the meatballs on a plate, add the garlic bread, garnish with basil leaves, and serve with fresh green salad. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next episode.